Worried about AI taking over your career? Let's shift your perspective from fear to future-proofing. AI is changing work, but it's creating new opportunities for those ready to adapt. AI excels at automating repetitive tasks and analyzing vast data. Think of it as a powerful assistant, not a complete replacement. It frees you from tedious work. Crucially, AI lacks human creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence. These are your unique, irreplaceable strengths in the workforce. Jobs with routine, predictable tasks are most susceptible to automation. This includes roles like basic data entry or simple customer service inquiries. However, AI often augments these roles, allowing humans to focus on complex problems, requiring empathy and nuanced solutions. It's about collaboration. Roles demanding creativity, critical thinking, and emotional intelligence are less likely to be replaced. Doctors, teachers, therapists, and innovators are prime examples. These are the skills AI can't replicate. Invest in developing your problem-solving, creative thinking, and interpersonal abilities. Embrace lifelong learning to stay relevant. Focus on critical thinking, creativity, and emotional intelligence. These are your competitive advantages. Also, learn to use and manage AI tools. Adaptability and a willingness to learn new tech are essential for success. Start exploring no-code platforms like Make.com. You can automate tasks and streamline workflows without writing any code. This empowers you to boost productivity and free up time for more strategic work. It's a valuable skill for any professional. Don't wait for change. If you're ready to level up and future-proof your career, now's the time to start your AI automation journey. Just click the Make.com link in the description to get started, and head over to AiWizardry.me for more step-by-step guides, tools, and strategies to help you stay ahead with AI and automation.